Let's talk about assisted living. It's a topic that many families find themselves discussing as their loved ones age. The decision to move into an assisted living facility is not just about finding a new place to live. It's about ensuring a quality of life that includes safety, comfort, and social engagement. But one of the biggest considerations is the cost. It's a big decision both personally and financially. Families often gather around the kitchen table, poring over documents and discussing the best options for their loved ones. The financial aspect can be daunting, with many worried faces as they review the numbers. The average cost in 2025 is a hefty $5,676 per month. This figure can be quite shocking at first glance, especially when you start to add up the monthly expenses. That adds up to over $68,000 each year. When you think about it annually, the numbers can seem even more overwhelming. It's a significant amount of money, and it's important to understand what you're getting for that investment. Remember, this is just an average. Costs vary greatly depending on the location, the level of care required, and the amenities offered by the facility. Some places might be more affordable, while others could be more luxurious, and consequently, more expensive. The good news is that assisted living isn't always as expensive as people think. Many facilities offer a range of pricing options and services that can fit different budgets. Plus, the benefits of having a safe, engaging, and supportive environment can be priceless. It can sometimes be even more affordable than staying at home with in-home care. When you factor in the costs of home modifications, in-home caregivers, and other expenses, assisted living can be a more economical choice. We'll delve into that comparison later. It's important to weigh all the options and understand the full picture before making a decision. Understanding the costs up front is crucial. It allows you to plan effectively and avoid any unexpected financial surprises down the road. Knowing what to expect can help ease the stress and make the transition smoother. It helps you plan and make informed choices. Having a clear financial plan can give you peace of mind and ensure that your loved one receives the best possible care without compromising your financial stability. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. By understanding the costs and planning accordingly, you can make the best decisions for your family's future. So let's dive deeper into the financial aspects of assisted living and explore all the options available to you. So what are you actually paying for with assisted living? It's a question many families ask when considering this option for their loved ones. Understanding the breakdown of costs can help you make an informed decision. The monthly fee covers more than just a roof over your head. It encompasses a wide range of services and amenities designed to make life easier and more enjoyable for seniors. It includes the basics like your room and board. This means a comfortable living space tailored to meet the needs of seniors, ensuring safety and accessibility. You'll get help with everyday tasks. This assistance can range from help with dressing and bathing, to managing medications and other personal care needs. These are called activities of daily living or ADLs. They are essential for maintaining a good quality of life and independence. Meals are another important part of the package. Residents are provided with nutritious, well-balanced meals that cater to their dietary needs. You'll enjoy nutritious meals in a social setting. Dining with others can help combat loneliness and foster a sense of community. Most communities also offer amenities. These amenities are designed to enhance the overall living experience and promote physical and mental well-being. These can include things like fitness centers, social activities, and transportation services. Staying active and engaged is crucial for seniors' health and happiness. Keep in mind that this is just the baseline. Each community may offer different levels of service and additional features. Additional services like memory care or specialized medical care will come with extra costs. It's important to evaluate what specific needs your loved one has and choose a community that can meet those needs effectively. Location, location, location. Just like with housing, the cost of assisted living varies from state to state. Some states are naturally more affordable than others. For instance, in Missouri, you might pay around $5,146 per month. But in Massachusetts, the average jumps to $7,550. That's a significant difference. It's crucial to research the average costs in your desired state. Factors like cost of living and demand play a role in these price differences. Don't assume all states are created equal when it comes to senior living costs. Many people dream of aging in place, staying in the comfort of their own homes, but is it always the most affordable option? The answer isn't always clear-cut. In 2025, hiring a homemaker for in-home care is projected to cost about $72,820 per year. A home health aide could cost even more, around $80,102 annually. When you factor in potential home modifications, like stair lifts or walk-in tubs, the costs can quickly add up. Assisted living might actually be the more economical choice in some cases. Section 5. The cost drivers. What makes assisted living more expensive? Several factors can influence the price tag of assisted living. The size of your apartment matters. A larger space means a higher cost. Amenities also play a role. Luxurious facilities with resort-style amenities will naturally command higher fees. The level of care you need is another major factor. If you require extensive assistance with daily tasks or have specialized medical needs, expect to pay more. Keep in mind that costs can also increase over time due to inflation and rising operational expenses. Section 6. Navigating the financial maze. Paying for assisted living. Paying for assisted living requires careful planning. It's a significant financial commitment that can impact your savings and future financial security. There are various options to explore, each with its own pros and cons. Understanding these options can help you make an informed decision that best suits your needs and circumstances. Many people use their savings or tap into retirement accounts to cover the costs. This can be a straightforward option if you have substantial savings or a well-funded retirement account. Others choose to sell their homes to free up equity. This can provide a significant amount of money, but it also means giving up a place that may hold many memories. Long-term care insurance can be a lifesaver, but it's essential to purchase a policy well in advance. These policies can cover a portion of the costs, but premiums can be high and not all policies are created equal. Health insurance and Medicare generally don't cover assisted living expenses, but they might cover some medical services provided within the facility. It's important to understand what is and isn't covered to avoid unexpected expenses. Medicaid can be an option for those with limited income and assets, but eligibility requirements vary by state. It's crucial to check the specific requirements in your state and plan accordingly. Veterans should explore benefits like the VA aid and attendance pension, which can provide financial assistance with assisted living costs. This benefit is available to veterans and their surviving spouses who meet certain criteria. It's also worth considering other financial assistance programs and community resources that may be available. Some nonprofit organizations offer grants or subsidies to help cover the costs of assisted living. Discussing your plans with family members can also be beneficial. They may be able to provide support or suggest additional resources you hadn't considered. Ultimately, the key to successfully paying for assisted living is to start planning early. The more time you have to explore your options and prepare, the better positioned you'll be to make the best choice for your situation. Section 7. Tax relief on the horizon, potential deductions. Don't overlook the potential for tax deductions. In some cases, you might be able to deduct a portion of your assisted living expenses as medical expenses on your tax return. To qualify, the primary reason for residing in assisted living must be to receive medical care. It's crucial to consult with a tax professional and keep meticulous records to support your deductions. Section 8. Assisted living for two, costs for couples. Moving into assisted living as a couple doesn't necessarily mean doubling the cost. While you will pay more for two people, it's typically not double the rate of a single occupancy. Most communities charge a second occupancy fee, which is lower than the base rate for the first resident. You'll also incur costs for the second person's meals, care services, and any additional needs they may have. It's essential to inquire about couples' rates and understand the specific fee structure before making a decision. Section 9. Planning ahead, securing your future. Assisted living is a significant investment both emotionally and financially. The key is to plan ahead. Start by having open and honest conversations with your loved ones about your preferences and financial situation. Research different communities, compare costs, and understand the levels of care provided. Explore all your payment options and consider consulting with a financial advisor to create a solid plan. By taking proactive steps, you can approach this next chapter with confidence and peace of mind.